What's up, beautiful people? Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Yeah, as we speak right now, I believe in the London time, they should be around 6 o'clock, 12 p.m. or 12 a.m. in the morning, or 1 o'clock, I believe. But this morning, this evening here in the Eastern time, we're going to be analyzing Great Britain pound USD. So from what I can see here, from the little calculation, this shows that it's an uptrending market. You get it? This shows capitally that it's an uptrending market. So the market changed direction before it got to where we predicted before. You get it? So the market was able to change direction, but at least we said it that it's going to change direction, and it did. So that is something. So the market right now is waving up. It's an uptrending market. So let me see. I'm coming. Let me just see if we could. Let me see if I could get the line charts so we talk about it. Okay, it's not here, but no problem. Let's continue with what we're doing. So this market now, when you look at it, is a downtrending market because there's a key here in this circle. There's another key in this circle. There's another one within this circle. There's another one within this downtrending circle, which bounced in this very trending line. In this very trending line that my mouse is right now, it bounced there. So this shows that the market is climbing up. How far it's going to go up for now, I can't really say that, but it's going up. It's an uptrending market. So to me, I'm going to trade this market. I'm not in it yet, but I'm going to, get into the market now, and I'm going to take 20 pips down for my stop loss, then take 100 pips for my take profit. You get it? So this is how I do it. This is what I will do. You get it? So to me, this is a clear uptrend. Great Britain pound is gaining stability right now, and everything here indicates that this market is breaking up because this first candle push it up, the second one forms a pin bar, and the third one opens. The third one, I believe this was for Friday. I believe another candle is going to open after this one. This was for Friday. So it means the non-farm payroll wasn't strong enough to hold Great Britain pound. You get it? So it's an uptrending market, and it's going all the way up. So let's just do it like this. Don't let us say much. It's going up, but to me, it ain't, it's going up. This is just what I see here. It's an uptrending market. So this is what I see to Great Britain pound USD. I don't know what you see. Please, people, I very much appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe on my YouTube channel and all my social media pages. Please click the notification button, like, share, subscribe. I really appreciate it. So this market, just like we said, is an uptrending market, and I'm going for the uptrending wave as we speak. So if you want to trade, people, please trade wise. You get it? Trade wise, trade safe. Don't be greedy, be calculative, because sometimes the market can be tricky. You get it? So from every indication that is here, including this tide really confirmed a lot of things. I think this tide was, let me see, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Friday, Thursday. This was Thursday 2 weeks ago, this very one. So this shows that Great Britain pound is holding USD not to move. You get it? USD came here, it forms a pin bar, a pin bar reversal with a long shadow down, even if it is a bearish candle, still form a pin bar that the market is going up. And the market took the up direction and it keep going and up and up and up and up, and now we're still climbing up. So USD is trying to, prove itself and all that. But to me, I don't really see USD having a more chance here right now. So this market is climbing up. Let's just, let's trade. Let's make some, at least let's make some little money at least for Monday, for tomorrow Monday. So this is what I see in this market. Please, people, I very much appreciate it if you could tell me what you see in this market. Please like, share, subscribe, click the notification button. I'll really appreciate it. So people, trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. God bless us all and have a good one. See you in my next video.